Hey, what's up guys? It's me again. Today I thought we'd do another wallpaper video. We've done our background in the normal, which we have here, but I don't think we've done it on Google. So this is what we're going to be doing today. And if we have, then my bad. You can roast me in the comments. So this is just going to be a quick video. I know I posted just before, but because I haven't posted in a while, I thought I'd do 2 small ones for you. So here we go. So first, say you wanted like a picture, so we'll just do something simple. So let's get a galaxy picture. Galaxy, so just type it in like that. Just go to images. And let's just pick this one. Right click and save image as. And then just put it in downloads, just call it Galaxy, I can't spell, Galaxy 2. Okay, so it's right there. So then we'll go here, and there's this little pencil. Just click that, upload from device, and you can also choose these if you want. If you like these, and there's shortcuts, color and theme, so you can choose a color if you want that. But if you're doing this, you upload from device, go to downloads, and I think, where is it? Documents, sorry. Galaxy 2. And boom, it is right there. Also, what you can do, if you want a moving video, a GIF, you can actually just type in, car GIF. Alright, so we'll go images, and we'll just pick this one. So we'll pick this one, make sure it works. Yep, it works fine. So right click, save image as, and the same thing, just call it, put it in downloads, I suggest. Giphy GIF, that should be alright. Okay, so you can see it down there. Go back here, click the little pencil, upload from device, go into downloads, and down the bottom, oh, maybe not. Wait, let me try this again. Wait. In documents, we'll try this time. Giphy GIF, it's right there. Go from device. GIF, just type it up, enter, and boom, there it is. Pretty simple, but pretty cool. If you like this video, please give it a like, because it really helps me out and makes me feel good. Subscribe, because as you can see, I'm only at 15. That's not that great. This is my 7th video. I want to get a bit higher in subscribers, and at 50, remember, I might be doing a face reveal. Also, if you haven't, come watch these videos, Try Not to Laugh, the tutorials. I've done a few different things, so go watch them. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Goodbye.